Most of us are not lost, we are just trapped inside the same building, going up and down again and again. Imagine your inner life as a building. Not everyone lives on the same floor. Let me show you the floors. Ground floor. Loneliness. This is the entry point. It's very crowded, yet empty. There are many rooms here, and you walk through all of them. The main hall is loneliness. Even when you are surrounded by people, you still feel alone. Room 1. Comparison. Endless scrolling, quiet jealousy, unlimited talk time with self doubt. Room 2. The overthinking hall. Midnight's favorite room. The most suffocating one. Thoughts looping without rest. Room 3. The daydream room. You imagine a better life here, but never act on it. Room 4. Disappointment storage. Failed plans, broken expectations, heartbreaks stacked like boxes. Room 5. The escapism corner. You dissolve yourself in fantasies, fake motivation, and endless reels. This floor feels safe because it's familiar, and the pain you recognize feels less scary than the pain you don't. Most people think this is the rock bottom. It's not, it's just comfortable suffering. As we go upwards, we reach on the first floor numbness, the pause. This floor is quiet, too quiet. Its rooms are subtle but heavy. Memory blur, days blend together, you don't remember how time passes. Room 2. Emotional flatline. No deep sadness, no real happiness, life feels paused. Third. Identity confusion. You don't know who you are anymore. Fourth. Loss of ambition. You know the consequences of doing nothing, yet still you can't move. Fifth. Emotional shutdown. You stop talking, you feel unseen, misunderstood. Sixth. Emotional fatigue. Sleeping too much or not at all. Always tired without any reason. Nothing much hurts here, but nothing lives here either. This floor gives you two doors. The choice point. Door 1 goes downwards. This is what most people choose. The familiar pain, the old identity, the old coping mechanisms. We call it comfort, but it's just familiarity wearing a soft mask. But the door 2 goes upwards, the second floor. Second floor is called the mirror floor. There is no music here, no distractions, only mirrors. They show you unhealed parts of yours, your broken patterns, your ego, your jealousy, anger, abandonment wounds, your inner child. They show why you repeat the same mistakes, the truth about your childhood, your parents, your friendships, yourself. Most people peek inside, feel uncomfortable, and run back downstairs because this is the hardest floor. Here, people start misunderstanding you. Some leave, you feel lonelier than before. You cry without knowing why. You question everything you believed. This floor doesn't break you, it reveals you. Some people cry and run, but others cry and ask, what do I do next? They start planning, building discipline, sitting with discomfort, choosing consistency over comfort. Every step upward, the lower floors call them back. Old friends, old habits, old self images. Ignoring that pull takes strength. Then we come on third floor, consistency and small light. This floor isn't flashy, it gives you small wins, self-trust, calm mornings, better boundaries, less chaos, quiet confidence, peaceful routines. Nothing magical happens here, yet everything starts changing. This is where people stop chasing validation. They feel light satisfaction, they experience earned happiness. Then we moves on fourth floor, visible success. From outside, this looks like the overnight success. Here you find stability, respect, less fear of loss, control over your choices, confidence without noise. Most people stop here because life finally feels good. Yet something still feels incomplete. Because worldly success does not answer existential hunger. Then some people move to fifth floor. Very few people comes here. It's called inner peace, bhakti. Here you experience lightness, detachment without coldness, gratitude, devotion to God, truth and purpose. Deep peace, less desire, more presence. Here you don't chase life. Life flows through you. This floor is not about achievement. It's about alignment. Most people aren't failing at life. They just never leave the lower floors. So ask yourself, which floor are you living on and which one are you afraid to face? In the next videos, we'll go deeper into each floor.